Hi everyone, my name is Kylene
And my name is Deborah.
and we are from SMK PUDU. Today we are going to talk about the role of nuclear science and technology in food security and human health. Table of content is first nuclear, second food security, third human health, and last in conclusion. Definition of nuclear. Relating the nucleus of an atom being denoting relating to or powered by the energy released in nuclear fission or fusion.
Food security. Food insecurity has been defined as lack of consistent access to enough food for an active and healthy life. In 2018, it was reported that 1 in 9 Americans suffer from food insecurity, that is equivalent to 37 million people and more than 11 million of whom are children. Hunger will lead to poverty and diseases. With the help of nuclear science and technology, we are able to solve these problems by using electromagnetic radiation like gamma rays or electron beam to maintain food quality and kill harmful bacteria. The advantages of food irradiation. Food irradiation can prevent foodborne illnesses. We use food irradiation to make the items we eat safer. This technology effectively eliminates organisms that commonly cause foodborne illness like Salmonella and E. coli. This benefit also gives us a way to inactivate and destroy organisms that cause spoilage or decomposition. Secondly, it can control ripening and sprouting times. Food irradiation can delay the ripening of fruits and vegetables so that the longevity of each product can maximize its potential for use. This advantage can also inhibit sprouting behaviors that occurs with onions and potatoes. With correct storage techniques, most items can last for at least a week or significantly longer. The disadvantages of food irradiation. The cost of food irradiation is an issue to consider. The price of irradiated food items is typically higher. This disadvantage exists because of the upfront costs that are necessary to build a facility that uses this technology. The typical commercial processing plant can cost up to 5 million US dollar to build. Therefore, the price to consumers almost double. Secondly, food irradiation is not effective against viruses. Irradiation processes are not going to keep food perfectly safe. It does not guarantee the complete elimination of microorganisms. And although it reduces bacterial level effectively, this technology is not useful when it comes to viruses. That means you could still end up dealing with an issue like mad cow disease even though the beef went through a complete irradiation process.
Human health. Radiation play a key role in modern life, be it the use of nuclear medicine, space exploration, or electricity generation. Radiation constantly surrounds us as a result of naturally occurring radioactive element in, for example, soil, air, and human body. Type of radiation that can be used. First, alpha particle. When inside the human body, alpha particle can cause damage to the cell and to DNA, as their size make it more likely that it will interact with matter. If the dose is too high, there is a potential increase in the risk of getting cancer. Second, beta particle. This stems from the fact that the human body is mainly made up of empty space. The smaller the particle, the lower the risk of its colliding with part of the atom, which, in turn, lower the risk of damage. Third, gamma ray. These are high energy electromagnetic field wave, much the same as X-ray. Advantages of nuclear in human health. First, nuclear medicine is safe, painless, and cost-effective way of gathering information that may otherwise be unavailable or require a most expensive and risky diagnostic test. Nuclear medicine supplies the most useful diagnostic or treatment information of many diseases. A nuclear medicine scan is less expensive and may yield more precise information than exploratory surgery. Last, nuclear medicine offers the potential to identify disease in its earlier age. Often before symptom occurs can be detected with other diagnostic tests. Disadvantages of nuclear in human health. First, doctors have been using nuclear medicine diagnostic procedure for more than 6 decades. Allergic reactions to radio tracer are extremely rare and usually mild. Always tell the nuclear medicine personnel about any allergy you may have. The radio tracer injection may cause slight pain and weakness. They should rapidly resolve. And last, women should always tell their doctor and radiology technologists if there is any possibility that they are pregnant or they are breastfeeding. Did you know about this? The United States detonated two nuclear weapons over the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on 6 and 9 August 1945. The two bombings killed many people, most of them were civilian, and remain the only use of nuclear weapon in armed conflict. The effect of post-attack casualties. First, cancer increase. Cancer do not immediately emerge after exposure to radiation. Instead, radiation-induced cancer has a minimum latency period of some 5 years and above. Birth defect investigation. Many members of ABCC and its survivor, RERF, which is Radiation Effect Research Foundation, were still looking for possible birth defect among the survivor decades later, but found no evidence that they were significantly common among the survivor or inherited in the children of survivor.
In conclusion, radiation plays a key role in modern life. Through radiation, many people around the world can escape from the food insecurity as well as hunger and poverty. As a result of many decades of research, the health impacts of radiation are also very well understood that humans are able to cure all types of diseases. Therefore, the role of nuclear and science and technology able to meet the sustainable development goals.
Thank you, everyone. Do you have any question? If have, please comment in the comment section. Thank you and goodbye.